Donald Trump's hush money trial proceedings began with jury selection on Monday, April 15, but the embattled ex-prez wasn't pleased when he learned that the case would likely still be underway on Friday, May 17, when his youngest son, Barron, 18, is set to graduate high school. The trial is happening because the 77-year-old was charged with 34 counts of falsifying business documents last year. However, the frustrated former POTUS took to Truth Social to personally blame Judge Juan Merchan for the situation. "Who will explain for me, to my wonderful son, Barron, who is a great student at fantastic school, that his dad will likely not be allowed to attend his graduation ceremony," he wrote on the conservative social media platform. "Something that we have been talking about for years, because a seriously conflicted and corrupt New York State judge wants me in criminal court on a bogus Biden case which, according to virtually all legal scholars and pundits, has no merit, and should never have been brought," he added. Donald then repeated his prior claims that the legal case was nothing more than an attempt by the Biden administration and other Democrats to attack his campaign and interfere in the 2024 presidential election. "The Judge Juan Merchan is preventing me from proudly attending my son's graduation," he continued. "Seems very unfair, doesn't it? But this whole event is unfair. Every one of the many fake cases that are perpetuated by the White House in order to help the worst president in history, by far, get reelected, are unjust scams," he alleged. "We won't let that happen, but we will make America great again." This wasn't the only time the politician ranted about potentially missing his son's special event. That same day, the controversial businessman called Merchan out just outside of the courtroom while speaking with a group of journalists. He stated the judge wouldn't allow him to attend the graduation that Barron had been looking forward to for years and hoping his mother and father would both be there. "We've got a real problem with this judge and a real problem with a lot of things having to do with this trial," he said. "That I can't go to my son's graduation, that I can't go to the U.S. Supreme Court, that I'm not in Georgia or Florida or North Carolina campaigning like I should be. It's perfect for the radical left Democrats. That's exactly what they want. This is about election interference, that's all it's about." As OK previously reported, a grand jury voted to indict Donald in March 2023 in connection with a $130,000 payment made to adult film star Stormy Daniels. The pricey payment was allegedly given as hush money to keep the adult film star from publicly speaking out about a sexual encounter that Stormy claims occurred between them in 2006 after the pair met at a celebrity golf tournament. Trump pleaded not guilty to all charges,